Welcome to Study Guide Forum. Here we're going to look at a question. The question says that a source of sound wave of velocity 200 meters per second calculates the temperature of the wave if the velocity of the sound wave in air is 330 meters per second at 0 degrees Celsius. So here we're going to look at how we're going to find the temperature. Now, as we have already stated in our previous video, we are made to understand that velocity is directly proportional to square root of the temperature of its temperature at Kelvin temperature. So, which means since we are looking for the temperature, we can simply use this formula. So going by that, we have our first velocity to be what? The velocity of air, velocity in air at 0 degrees Celsius to be what? 330 meters per second. And then the temperature is 0 plus 273. That will give us 273 Kelvin. Now the second velocity is 200 meters per second, and in this case the second temperature is what we don't know. We don't know this temperature. Now. So what we're going to do now is use this relation to get the temperature in question. So by doing that, we can substitute. We have the first velocity over the second velocity, which is 200 meters per second, equal to the temperature, and then the temperature we're looking for. Now. So if you open this bracket, that will be 200 squared equal to all over T2. So when we cross multiply, if we cross multiply this, we will have squared 330 squared T equal to 200 squared times 273. So T will then be equal to 200 squared times 273 all over 330. So all over 330. So what we have at the end will be 100.3 Kelvin, or equal to minus 7.173 degrees Celsius. That means to get this one means that you subtract 2, converting back to degrees Celsius. We'll get that. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Would like to comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.